Welcome, welcome to Seasparkles Corner, and welcome to a product test. Today, I found this new product, new to me, called Magical Unicorn. And it's really cute on the front, and I've always been kind of like person who likes unicorns. So, let's give it a try. Okay, it says on the back, the directions, right here what you'll need. It says you'll need 2 cups of boiling water. So let's get the water boiling. That's hot. Okay. Put the pot on. And you're going to want to do 1 cup at a time. 2-cup measuring cup. You will need aluminum foil, pair of scissors, 2 bowls, and 2 spoons, and a 6-cup aluminum foil. Okay, what's included in this? Shall we open it up? Yes. All right, let's open it up. What's in the magic box? You can't find out. Oh, yes, I will. The unicorns don't want to come out. Okay. Let's make sure everything's included, okay? First, let's get everything out. These are 6 cups. And, alright. Okay. We put the sprinkles in it, rainbow sprinkles, unicorns, little unicorns, you like paper, and we have blue dye, and we have red dye, and this is the gelatin. Okay, so this is called berry gelatin mix. Okay, alright, evenly divide the gelatin mix between the 2 bowls. Okay, you know what that means? We're going to have to go spoon by spoon to evenly divide it. I don't know why they just didn't put 2 packages of gelatin mix to evenly divide that. Okay, so we're going to start evenly divided. I'm going to take a heaping spoon and put it in here. Heaping spoon, put it in there. Second heaping spoon, put it in there. The second heaping spoon, put it in here. Third heaping spoon, put it in here. Okay, that was the best I could do to try to divide it evenly. I think that looked like it was pretty even. Okay, so we're going to throw this away, okay? Now, let's take a look at the plastic cups. We're taking them out of here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over there and I'm going to wash them and dry them before we use them because, well, they've been in here and I just don't want to take any chances. I hope you guys don't mind being a little patient with me. So I'm going to wash them out. I know they haven't been used, but I'm not going to take any chances. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Okay. So I'm going to rinse them and then wash them, wipe them. Yeah, me too. Me too. Okay, we've got 6 cups. Now I'm going to thoroughly wipe them. I'm just not taking the chances. You don't know where these cups have been. Where have you been? I don't know, see? But what you're going to do is you're going to be putting the cups in here and you'll see more. It's always a good idea when you're doing something like this to, at least my opinion is to be on the safe side, is to wash them before you put food product in them. Thoroughly dry them. We're going to take this step by step. That's for what that's a good idea for. I haven't read the directions, but I'm guessing that's what it's for. Okay, there. All right. Now, let's see what's next. Okay, note. Divide the 2 small measuring cup. 1 bowl of gelatin and 1 large cup of water boiling. Stir with a wooden spoon and gently add the blue colored powder. Okay, note. Food color. All right, tear off small pieces of aluminum foil and crumble them around here. Okay, so we need to do that. It's to hold the cups up. Okay. So now we know what this is for. See, everybody has this stuff in their house, so okay. While you're getting your water to boil, you do this. And be careful when you're cutting off your aluminum foil that you don't cut your fingers. So I suggest you don't have, young kids do that. Just put in enough to support your cups. Ah, we're here. All right. All right. So, because as you can see with this is laid like this. So you got to measure 1 cup. Okay. We're going to take this and put it in the one. Make sure you use a bowl that can tolerate hot stuff. To me, I don't see how this is going to thicken, but okay, this is obviously has no stir until. Okay, put 1 bowl.